Julian, second to play. Julian passes inside to Marcos. Marcos searching for a friend. Looking for three. Oh, rattles in and out. Number 2 with the ball, passes to 11. Fast break. Number 2 holding the ball, the ground cut. With the ball, hand out. Oh, fake hand out. Post is up. Search for a friend. Passes number 3. Oh, beautiful pass. Another pass for 3. Number 6, Edgar. One shot, Edgar.
Is he going to make it more intense than this?
Oh, he makes it. 1 point. Number 6, Edgar. As they are out of Julian. Set play to Ben. Ben out to Julian for 3. This is number 2 with the ball. Fast break. Bobby fast with up court. Hand off with pass to 3. 16 with the ball. Passes number 3. Oh, drives in. Pass back to number 3. Pulls up. Oh. And it's slow and intercepted by Ben. Ben going all the way. Layup. Oh, 2 points for Ben. SDRLV. Joe Biden with the ball. Set play. Passes number 16. Passes back. Number 3. So you want to grab. That's number 16. 4-3. Number 3, Julian passes to Griffin. Griffin kicks it up. Marcos searching for something to do. Julian drives in. Layup is good. Julian 2 points. SDRL. 11 bringing the ball to our court. Set play. Passes back to number 3. 16 goes up. 16 with the ball. Passes to 11. Pass back to 16, shot clock, 9, 8, 7, oh, what a beautiful jump shot. 2 number 60, Julian bring the ball, as well. Marcos with the ball, passes back to Julian, passes to Griffin, shot clock, 9, 8, shot for 3. 11, pass back to 6, spin, layup is good. That's another easy 2 points for Gabriel Bendeca and number 16. 6. Julian bringing the ball to Griffin, open for 3, fake shot, pull up jumper, misses, out of bounds, call for shot clock, 9 seconds. Isaiah Alvey, number 9. Shot clock. Oh, Steve. Pass to 11. Pass to 16. Player with the ball. Layup. Oh, he misses. He misses with the layup. Pass just for 3. 3 with the ball. Oh, almost done. Shoot for 3. Julian with the ball, being up forward, set play, searching for a friend. Can Julian win the ball? Shot clock, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, gets to the top of the backboard, passes to 11, oh, pull up, 3, oh, what a beautiful shot. inbound. As the LB opens up.
Oh, he misses. He's still with the rebound. Passes the left way. Out of the ball. Oh, loses the ball. Oh, Steve with the junior. Pass forward. Perfect. Loses the ball. Passes to Vargas. Vargas with the ball. 8 with the ball. Pass to Raska. Pass back to Ruby Sono for 3. Oh, he misses. Oh, rebound number 5. He missed. Oh, 8 with the offensive rebound. Passes to Raska for 3.
Passes to Griffin the court. He loses the ball again. Can LB find a way to slot Pepe open in the lead? Substitution.
Hey, bringing the ball up. Setting the play. Passes to number 5. Pass back to number 21. Pass back to 8. 3 with the ball. Oh, 14. Bang! They straight to the threes. Oh my days.
This is number 3 for Rick. Believe me.
Steal. Oh, what was a steal? Gentlemen, pass to Marvel. Big shot. And foul by number 33.
Foul.
2 shots. 2 shots.
2 shots for LB. 14. First shot. He misses. Second shot for Marvel. It's good. 1 point. LB number 14.
With the ball, 7 play, 5, pass back to 8, pass back to 21,
Under 3 minutes.
5 with the ball, back to 21, 8 with the ball, 3, 3, 4, 3. Oh, he misses. Oh, pass the ball. Oh, he loses the ball, number 5.
Out of bounds is the LB ball.
Substitution.
Pepe opened it by number 5. Substitution by number 16. Inbound for LB. Jeremiah taking the ball as the LB. Jeremiah as the LB goes in, floater, misses.
Follows it, uncourt. Is he gonna dunk it? He's gonna dunk it. Yeah!
Under 2 minutes left to play. 14, one of them misses. He is
Pass back again to Morris. Is he gonna dunk it?
and he's laughing. Number 11, Jeremiah has the ball. Passes it to number 11. Number 1. Passes it to number 5. Over the 5 foot shot. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 with the floater. Missed. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good of the goal.
And that's the end of the third quarter with a score of 71-20. Pepe Ope leads.